Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making DIY lip scrub with only 3 ingredients, that is sugar, extra virgin olive oil and honey. I will be using this Dabur honey. So yeah, let's get started. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of honey in this. Yeah, that's enough. After this I will add 1 tablespoon of virgin oil and mix this together. After mixing, it will look like this. Then you can scrub it over your lips and your lips will become very soft. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.